Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. This is the chapter 7 of class 5, question and answer series. If you want to learn the full chapter, then please go to the playlist section of class 5 chapter 7. This is only the question answer series, that is the back question and answer series of the students of class 5 chapters 5. Let's start it with the chapter 7. Class 5. LibreOffice Impress. Section A. Fill in the blanks. A presentation is a collection of dash that are arranged in the sequential manner. Slides. You can select different slide layouts from dash button. Slide layout. When a file is saved in the LibreOffice Impress, it creates dash extension .odp. The dash view displays a miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. Slide sorter. In LibreOffice Impress, the dash view is the default presentation view. Normal. Application-based questions. The teacher has asked Shruti to create a presentation using the pre-designed layout backgrounds and color schemes. Which option will you suggest her to accomplish this task? Using gallery. Graphics in the gallery are grouped by the themes. Rupali has created a presentation with 16 slides. The teacher has asked her to display all the slides on a single screen. Help her in selecting the appropriate view. The answer is handout view. We can adjust the number of slides. Handout view, we can adjust the number of slides that can fit in single printed page. Section B. Multiple choice questions. F5 function key is used to display the slideshow. In which view do you select the layout of slides for a printed handouts? The answer is handout view. A dash is like a page in a presentation. Slide. The dash view displays the slide in full screen mode. Slideshow. How many types of views are available in LibreOffice Impress? There are 6 views available in LibreOffice Impress. Which key is pressed to quit the slideshow? Escape or key? Name the option that is used to create additional notes for the current slide. Note view. Which feature of LibreOffice Impress create a sample slideshow containing various themes layout? Gallery. What do you understand by Impress? Explain its features. Impress is a component of LibreOffice suite which is used to create simple and appealing presentations. Impress gives us the ability to make effective presentations by adding text, diagrams, images, clip outs, sounds. We can easily import data from the writer, calculator, etc. We can generate handouts. How is the slide different from presentation? Presentation is made up of collection of slides arranged in the sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey, pursue or give information. Define the term placeholders. Placeholders are the boxes with dotted or hashed marked borders that are part of most slide layouts. These boxes hold title, body text or objects such as charts, tables. Define the term gallery. Briefly explain the method to add an image in the presentation. Gallery contains a set of predefined formats that includes collection of images that you can use. Click, tools, gallery, dialog box, select image. Briefly explain the normal view. It is the main view for the creating and editing slides. It has options to add text, graphics, sound, animation or other effects as well as view with the normal option. What are the templates? Templates are the inbuilt design files for creating a presentation. They include predefined elements like layouts, backgrounds and color scheme style, etc. I hope this question and answer series is beneficial to you all. This was back question and answer series of chapter 7 class 5 LibreOffice Impress. And thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love. Have a nice day.